Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like cellular manufacturing, continuous flow, ERP and Gemba. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools are covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools. Video number 2. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste within a manufacturing system. The primary goal is to deliver maximum value to customers while minimizing resources, time, and costs. It focuses on continuous improvement and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Several tools are commonly used in lean manufacturing to achieve these objectives, like Kaizen 5S bottleneck analysis and on just-in-time, JIT, Kanban poker yoke total productive maintenance, TPM, Six Sigma, and more. Much so. Let's start to the main presentation. Cellular manufacturing is a lean production technique that organizes manufacturing work cells or production units into small, self-contained units, each responsible for producing a specific set of products or components. This approach promotes efficiency, flexibility, and improved communication among workers. Cellular manufacturing is a fundamental concept in lean manufacturing, focusing on organizing workstations and processes into efficient, self-contained units called cells. This approach enhances productivity, flexibility, and responsiveness within a production environment. It is a manufacturing strategy that groups similar machines and processes together into cells. This allows for the efficient production of similar products or families of products. Cellular manufacturing facilitates a pull-based system, where production is driven by customer demand, ensuring that items are manufactured only when needed. This eliminates waste, such as overproduction and excess inventory, leading to cost savings and improved resource utilization. In essence, cellular manufacturing exemplifies the core principles of lean manufacturing, emphasizing continuous improvement, waste elimination, and efficient resource allocation. Its implementation empowers organizations to achieve higher productivity, lower costs, and greater customer satisfaction. Continuous flow, a fundamental lean tool, emphasizes the smooth and uninterrupted movement of products or services throughout the production process. This approach minimizes bottlenecks and delays, optimizing efficiency and reducing waste. By eliminating unnecessary steps and ensuring a steady flow of work, continuous flow enhances productivity, shortens lead times, and improves overall quality. It enables businesses to respond swiftly to customer demands, reduces inventory levels, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Through continuous flow, organizations can achieve streamlined operations, higher throughput, and enhanced customer satisfaction, key goals in lean management. Continuous flow manufacturing, CFM, is a manufacturing strategy that produces products in a continuous and uninterrupted flow. This is in contrast to traditional manufacturing methods, which often involve batch production. In a continuous flow system, the products go through the process individually and defects are found in time so that subsequent products can be corrected earlier in the process. Fewer products would require the rework, because the defect would be corrected before it was put into the remaining products. What is continuous flow? Continuous flow is a way of moving products through the manufacturing process so that each product is being made one at a time. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is a powerful software system that integrates various business functions and processes into a unified platform. It allows organizations to streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and gain real-time visibility into their entire business. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is the integrated management of main business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. ERP is usually referred to as a category of business management software, typically a suite of integrated applications that an organization can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from many business activities. Enterprise Resource Planning, the management of all the information and resources involved in a company's operations by means of an integrated computer system. In lean methodology, Gemba is a Japanese term that translates to the real place or the actual place. It refers to the concept of going to the location where work is done, whether it's a factory floor, a service desk, or any other workplace. Practicing Gemba walks involves managers and team leaders observing operations directly, engaging with employees, and gaining first-hand insights into processes, problems, and opportunities. Gemba refers to the actual place where work is performed. This can be the factory floor, the warehouse, or any other location where value is created. Goal: Gemba walks is to understand the actual state of the workplace. This is done by observing the work being done, talking to the people who are working, and asking questions. A Gemba walk is a tool often used by management to get out into the workplace and see what's going on. It's based on the idea that for processes to improve, changes must be based on facts learned from observing work. Studying data about the workplace from an office may provide some insights into what's happening, but to understand the ins and outs of processes, people must go to the Gemba to look, listen, and question. Benefits of Gemba walks: help decision makers understand daily work, provide opportunities for dialogue, foster a culture of continuous improvement, or Kaizen, show workers management cares about them and their work, break down barriers in the workplace, reveal opportunities for process improvements, help identify and eliminate waste. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.